Okay. Yes, a pleasant day, everyone. Again, this is Kiko Javier from the Philippines, and I would like to focus more on the pay plan system. Okay. So, and this is, of course, one of the most exciting part of this program is how do we earn. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, in this under this tab, we see the pay plan system, and again, on my first video, I was saying that this is really very easy. All you have to do is read. But again, what I'm going to do is to make the easy easier. Okay? So I'll be explaining and giving more inputs on the pay plan. Okay, so why do we call this the perfect pay plan system? So that's where P3S came from. Perfect pay plan. Okay? So first, we need to break it down. Where did the $55 went? Okay, you purchased a very valuable product. Okay, the Supreme Wealth Library. That's your 55 US. Okay, but as far as this pay plan system is concerned, we will break it down on the distribution. Okay, your $30 went to the 2x2 dynamic follow matrix. Your $20 goes to the Infinity Tree Up Pass Up. And your $5 went to the admin fee, of course. The pay processor charge alone is already more than $4. So, yeah, actually, nothing goes to the admin because the admin also pays for the processing of the payment. Okay, so probably the admin gets a little point 50 cents, something like that. We don't know. But again, this is the breakdown of the 55. Okay, so pay plan number 1. We call it the 2x2 dynamic follow matrix. The entry for this pay plan is $30. Okay, but you can earn more than double or even triple this amount. Okay, so all you have to do is to fill up the matrix, the 2x2 matrix. Okay, so 2x2 equals 6, meaning you need at least 6 people under you. Okay, for you to complete one matrix, and we call that one cycle. Okay, so this is you, and you have your first 2 downlines, and the 2 downlines got their 2 downlines as well. So that completes the matrix. Okay, so how do we earn? You earn $70 or $90 for each completed 2x2 matrix. It doesn't matter how your 2x2 matrix gets filled up. Okay, whether they are filled up by your referrals or by spillovers from your upline or by a combination of both. As long as your matrix gets filled up, you earn your $70 or $90. Once your matrix is filled up and you have earned, you are given a brand new 2x2 matrix at no extra cost. Okay, so this is how it works. This is the sample of the diagram. Very easy to understand. All you have to do is read and open your mind. Okay, so you, of course, on top. So this person, the color green, it says spill over from your referrer, meaning your referrer, your sponsor, got another member in, and it went under you. Okay, and this person, so excited, knows at least 2 people whom he wanted to help. Okay, got 2 members under him. So we call it the downlines of the spilled member. Okay, so this is not from you, but it was spilled over on your matrix. Then, of course, you have your best friend who joined you. So we call it a direct referral. Then your best friend knows two more buddies who also wanted to have financial freedom and can afford $55 one time. So your two other friends went in under your best friend. Okay, so if this happens, you already complete your matrix, and we call it one cycle. Okay, and you'll be given a bonus of $70 or $90. So I'll be explaining that or in a little while. Then after that, you'll be given another matrix. Okay, and that's for free. And you'll, of course, with this matrix, you can start filling it up again, or just like the case of the first one, your referrers can fill it up, or even your downlines. Okay, so how can my downlines fill that up? So I'll show you how in a little while. But if you notice, there are two payouts, $70 and $90. The 70 is the regular payout rate. However, if you accumulate at least 7 direct referrals, okay, 7 to join SWA Ultimate, no time frame, meaning if you start today and you get your 7th after 2 years, that's okay. Okay, but there's no time frame. As long as the program is still here, you can have that 7th anytime you want. Okay, but if that happens, you will get an extra $20 for every cycle thereafter. Okay, so after you reach that 7th, you get your plus $20. It becomes $90. So once you reach this number of referrals, all your cycles afterwards will be earning $90 for you. So it's continuous. Okay, so you're now on the $90 bonus section, okay, or bonus position, something like that. Okay, so after you complete your matrix, your succeeding matrices can be filled up by your further direct referrals, upline, and your direct referrals who filled up their matrix and followed you into your new matrix. The basic rule is for any of your direct referrals fill up their 2x2 matrix, they follow you into the next available open position in your current matrix. Okay, so that's why we call it follow me. Okay, matrix. Okay, so example, okay, your direct referrals who complete their 2x2 matrix follow you into the next available open position into your current matrix. Example, this is your second matrix, okay, this one. Then you have a guy, no, or you have your best friend, is really fast, he already cycled. So where does he go? He follows you again. He goes there because that's the first open position. Let's say this position is not yet taken, so he goes there. Okay, and of course he does what he do best again. He got people in, or probably another spillover from your upline went down. Okay, and this can also happen if your referral is so fast you cannot control him. Okay, and he gets another matrix, so where will he go? Under you again. Okay, so even if you don't work and your downline is so fast, he always goes back to you and fills up your open slots. Okay, assuming this is like a new friend of yours or a new member, okay, because this one is so fast and he completed this matrix again, so he's done with the second cycle, he's given another matrix, his third matrix, so where will he go? Since you have another member in here already, so he will go under that person. Okay, so this person of course will be happy, and your fast member will definitely be able to help this person earn good money. Okay, so this is what's really getting me very excited. Okay, because it goes on and on and on and on as long as people are getting people and you have direct referrals under you so fast, so you will surely be continuously earning from this program. Okay, then the second, let's go to the second pay plan. We call it the Infinity Tree Up Pass Up. The entry for this is $20, and it is 100% payout pay plan. Sorry, so meaning that $20 goes into this pay plan, and $20 is also paid out to the qualifiers. Okay, so nothing's left for the company. The company is not here to make so much money from the members. Okay, so $20 was paid, $20 was returned. Okay, so this is really very exciting, this Infinity Tree Up Pass Up. Okay, so how it works, you got your first, this is you, okay, and your first referral, let's call him John. Okay, so John joined the opportunity, paid $55. $20 was paid for this second pay plan. You earn $20 from your first referral. Okay, wow, so you earned the $20. Your second referral, okay, you got another one. Your second referral is passed up to your referrer. Okay, don't worry, many members will pass up to you also. So, well, what I love about this pay plan is this is like the golden rule: do unto others what you want others to do unto you. Okay, so you give people, you pass up your sponsored members to your upline, and your downlines will pass up sponsored members to you as well. So it just goes back. Okay, so many members will pass up to you, and this passing up only happens in this pay plan. Of course, it's not on the 2x2 matrix, the first pay plan. Okay, and the third referral, what happens to the third? It's again passed up. It goes up to your sponsor. So your sponsor is happy because your sponsor is earning. And your question is, how about me? Okay, your fourth referral, okay, this is yours. It won't go up. It will stay with you. So you earn 20, and you earn another 20. Okay, so it's $40 for two persons, and she stays in your network. What happened to the fifth? It goes to you. What happened to the sixth? It goes to you. Okay, so you have $80. Okay, and do you remember how many you need for your matrix, the pay plan number 1, for you to cycle? You need 6, and you actually have 6 if this happens. Meaning, other than this $80, you already cycled from above, from the first plan, so that's $70. So you have $150. Wow. Okay, and we experienced that when we started this program a few days ago. Just after 2 days, we already experienced the cycles. So I was just surprised to see money keeps coming in. Wow, and it's really a blessing. Okay, and on your 7th referral, it goes up to the company again. I'm sorry, it goes up to your upline. In my case, to the company, because I'm straight to the company. Okay, so you got your, out of 7, you got 4, and your sponsor got 3. Okay, that's a fair split. You're one person more than what you have given up. Okay, so you pass up your 2nd, 3rd, and 7th referrals. From your 8th referral onwards, there will be no more passing ups from you. Okay, so this is the good news for those who just loves to sponsor. Okay, so from my previous program, or the program, actually I'm still working on it. I already have at least 100 direct referrals. Okay, so meaning if this is the case, like 8 onwards, it's yours. No more pass ups for that. Now here's where it gets exciting. When you begin to receive pass ups, okay, this is the blessing that I'm talking about. Do unto others what you want others to do unto you. You have given up 3 members for your sponsor. Now it's your time, because the people that remain in your tree or your organization, they will also give you their 2, 3, and 7 direct referrals. So just like what you did. Okay, in this scenario, these 4 people that was retained to you gave their 2, 3, and 7. So meaning they gave 3 each. So that's 12 people, and you earn $20 each. So that's $240. Wow. Is that your effort? No. It was passed up. It was given to you. You were blessed. I'd like to use that word. And this is it. Another one. The 12 people that were just passed up to you will also give their 2, 3, and 7. Okay? So 12 times 3 becomes 36. 36 at $20 each. You have another bonus of $720. Wow. Is that your own effort? No, it was a pass up. It was a gift. You were blessed. And what happens to these 36 people? They will also give you their 2nd, 3rd, and 7th. That's a total of 108 times $20 each. That's $2,160 extra income, bonus, gift, blessing for you. Wow. And what happens with the 108? They also give you the 237, etc., etc., etc. So the line just goes on and on and on and on. And it just doesn't stop. And you keep on getting the $20, $20, $20. And of course, the growth is exponential. Okay, do you see the big picture? Time will come, thousands upon thousands of people shall be passing up to you, and they pay you up to $20 each. That's true leverage residual income at its best. Wow. I don't know about you, but every time I explain this marketing plan, I'm just blown away of what's going to happen. Especially if you know that we are on top of this program around the world. Okay, not in the Philippines, not in your country, okay, not in Cebu where I stay. Around the world, we are on top of this. Okay, how many people do you know has the desire to change their lives financially? They want financial freedom. How many? How many in your country? How many on your neighboring countries? How many around the world? And out of these people, how many of them can afford 55 US dollars one time? And this 55 US will give them a very, very good wealth library. A library of information on how to be wealthy, how to be happy, how to live life to the fullest. Okay? So if you think like you know so much people who wants financial freedom, who can afford $55 one time, and would like to change your lives, change your mindset, know more, learn, I tell you, this opportunity is for you. Don't let it go away. Okay? So again, this is Kiko Javier. I hope I was able to enlighten you with a very easy, perfect pay plan system. And I tell you, it's so easy. All you have to do is read it. I'm just trying to make it more and more easier by creating this video, so you can share this to your friends, and your friends might feel something and they respond, so they will be part of this global opportunity that's facing every one of us. Again, thank you so much. Go back to the person who shared you this video, ask for their link, and please join us immediately and start enjoying the life that you have been dreaming of. Thank you so much again. Kiko Javier from SWA Ultimate Global Team Philippines. Bye for now.